Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to send large file on Gmail without Google Drive. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my all process very carefully. First of all, open Google Chrome browser and go to search option. Type here to WeTransfer. It's a totally free version. Click on this link. Select this option, click on plus icon and select a file, email to. Now add to receiver email and enter your email. Type here to message anything and click on to transfer, and you need to just verify your email. So open your Gmail, copy this code and just paste here. Click on to verify. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily send large file on Gmail without Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel.